So I repeat again the field strength concept. So what is the field strength concept is minimum signal requirement for satisfactory reception with receiving antenna at 10-meter height are as follows: band 1, band 3, band 4, and band 5. Okay, band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 5. So each and every, you can start the, suppose you can start the network communication means you can got the license from the IEEE standard. That means IEEE band. Okay, so that is a different types of IEEE band is available. That is a band 1, band 3, band 4, and band 5. So band 1 field strength range is 48 decibel microwatt per meter. Band 3 field strength rate is 55 decibel microwatt per meter. Band 4 field strength range is 65 decibel microwatt per meter. Band 5 field strength rate is 70 decibel microwatt per meter. For example, Doordarshan adopted the 40 decibel microwatt per meter. So each and every network having a different types of field strength is available for Sun network and Star network and also Z network, etc., etc. So each and every network you can calculating the field strength formula is field strength is equal to 134.8 plus 10 log of P minus 20 log of D minus F decibel microwatt per meter. Here P is EIRP in watts and D is a distance of the receiving point in meter. F is a loss of propagation. Okay, so that is a field strength explanation. And the next one is a diversity reception. Okay, so diversity reception used for the antenna array. So already know about the antenna array concept. You can remember the antenna array unit number 2. So antenna array, different types of antenna array is available. For example, end fire array and broadside array. So end fire 2 element and 4 element array. Again also broadside 2 element and 4 element array. Okay, so these are the array concepts. You can recall the array concept. So it is diversity of the reception antenna used for the antenna array. Okay, antenna array. So this diagram you can using the 3 antenna used in the diversity array. Okay, so 3 antenna used in the diversity array. That is antenna 1, antenna 2, antenna 3. Okay, so these 3 antenna you can vary the signal range is 0 to 30 decibel. Okay, 0 to 30 decibel for the position and the received signal power in decibel. Received signal power in decibel. Okay, so what is the operation of these 3 antenna means? So you can transmit the electromagnetic waves with the frequency range of, that means with the range of 0 to 30 decibel. So 3 antennas is available. Okay, 3 antenna is available. Antenna 1, antenna 2, and antenna 3. So you can start with antenna 1. That operation is vertical polarization means second antenna is a horizontal polarization operation. Okay, so you can start with first antenna is a vertical means second antenna is a horizontal polarization. So this horizontal polarization, third antenna operated at vertical polarization. Okay, so this concept continue to the each and every antenna to reach the received signal. That means to reach the destination. Okay, so I repeat again the concept. What is a diversity reception? This diversity reception used for the antenna array, for the broadside array, broadside array and end fire array. So you can using the 3 antennas for the diversity array. You can using the 3 antenna 1, antenna 2, antenna 3 for the frequency range. That means the rate of the frequency 0 to 30 decibel. 0 to 30 decibel for the received signal power. Okay, so antenna 1 operated at vertical frequency means antenna 2 operated at horizontal frequency. Again antenna 3 operated at vertical frequency. Suppose you can connect the antenna 4 means that is a horizontal, antenna 5 means that is a vertical. So this polarization combined of both the antennas. You can using the different type of antenna means first you can start with vertical, second one horizontal, again vertical, horizontal, again vertical, horizontal. This operation continuously goes to the each and every antenna. Finally, you touch the reception. Finally, you got the receiver, you got the signal from the reception. That operation, continuous operation. Okay. Suppose antenna 1 start with the operation of horizontal, means antenna 2 start with the operation of vertical. Again, antenna 3 horizontal, antenna 4 vertical, again horizontal, vertical. Finally, you reach the destination for the received signal. That signal frequency range is 0 to 30 decibel. Okay, so that is a concept of diversity reception. Okay, so that is a concept of diversity reception. So what is the diversity reception means? Using antenna arrays for the diversity reception is one of the most strength forward used of antenna arrays, because the power level of a received signal can vary significantly with small changes in distance. A diversity array uses a set of antenna and combine the signal of obtain the maximum signal. Combine the signal to obtain the maximum signal. Okay, to obtain the maximum signal. So you can transmit, you can operate the polarization, that is horizontal polarization, and vertical polarization, that is a continuous process. So you can transmit the electromagnetic waves for the different waves. So that different wave combined in one signal, and to transmit the maximum signal, combined with one signal and transmit the maximum signal. That means maximum signal means that operated adapted the vertical polarization and horizontal polarization, vertical polarization and horizontal polarization. Suppose horizontal polarization means vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. That maximum signal reach to the destination. That is a concept of diversity reception. So that diversity reception used from 0 to 30 decibel range. 0 to 30 decibel range. So that is a concept of diversity reception. So this is the explanation. I already told you the explanation. So received power can change by the 30 decibel by moving the cell phone and relatively small distance. For example, mobile communication. This operation, what is the operation means? So this operation, antenna 1, antenna 2, antenna 3, that is a vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. So this concept available for the mobile communication. That is a central concept. Okay, the signal at antenna 1 as the largest signal, that is a maximum signal, and can therefore to be used in this manner. The effect of fading are reduced, and the probability of having a signal too small to work with decreases as the number of antenna increases. Okay, so fading is received and the probability. Okay, so fading. So this type of operation, what is this type of operation means? Horizontal and vertical, horizontal, vertical. Suppose vertical and horizontal, vertical and horizontal means the fading effect is reduced. What is the fading means? That is, you can eliminate the unwanted noise. Okay, you can eliminate the fluctuation. So fading is received. So finally, diversity reception can occur for two antenna not separated but receiving orthogonal polarization. If one antenna receives vertical polarization wave, a second antenna can be placed near the first that received the horizontal polarization. Okay, horizontal polarization wave. In this manner, diversity can be achieved. So first the antenna. So three types of antenna are used for the diversity. So antenna 1 operated at vertical polarization means antenna 2 is a horizontal polarization, antenna 3 is a vertical polarization. So this is a continuous process. So you can transmit the electromagnetic wave for the maximum signal. So this vertical to horizontal to vertical operation, you can reduce the fading. So what is the reduce the fading means? You can eliminate the fluctuation of the received signal. So that is a concept of diversity reception. Okay, so that's all about diversity reception. So entire fifth unit is over. Okay, so entire fifth unit is over. So any clarification of this 4 topics means you can clarify it. That is a fading, duct propagation, field strength, and the final one is a diversity reception. So any clarification of these 4 topics means you can clarify with me. Any doubt, any clarification? Clear. Thank you very much, Anjali. What about others? Brenda? No doubt from Catherine Arti.